What if I told you that the deepest, most mysterious place on Earth is hiding secrets that could change our understanding of life itself? We're talking about the Mariana Trench, a chasm in the Pacific Ocean so deep you could fit Mount Everest inside it and still have over a mile of water above. For decades, we thought it was a desolate, lifeless void. But recent expeditions have shattered that illusion, revealing a world more bizarre and resilient than we ever imagined. So, take a deep breath, because we're about to dive over 36,000 feet below the surface to uncover the incredible life forms that thrive in the crushing darkness of Earth's final frontier. This is a journey into an alien world right here on our own planet, where the rules of life are rewritten. The pressure down there is over 1,000 times what we experience at sea level. It's like having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on every square inch of your body. The temperature hovers just above freezing, and there's absolutely no sunlight. It's the most extreme environment imaginable. For a long time, scientists believed that such conditions would make complex life impossible. Sending probes, let alone humans, into this abyss is an immense technological challenge. The famous Trieste expedition in 1960 gave us our first glimpse, but it was just a peek. Today, with advanced remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, we're pulling back the curtain on this hidden realm, and what we're finding is simply astonishing. It's a testament to the tenacity of life, proving that it can find a way to exist in the most inhospitable corners of our world. One of the most groundbreaking discoveries to come out of the Mariana Trench is something you'd never expect: bacteria that eat oil. Yes, you heard that right. Scientists, analyzing sediment from the trench floor, found a community of microbes that consume hydrocarbons, the same compounds found in crude oil and natural gas. This was a world first. These are not your average bacteria. They are what we call obligate hydrocarbon-degrading bacteria, meaning they rely almost exclusively on these compounds for food. Now you might be wondering, where is all this oil coming from at the bottom of the ocean? It's not from oil spills. Instead, it is believed that these hydrocarbons are naturally produced by geological processes within the trench or by the breakdown of organic matter that sinks from the surface. This discovery is huge. It suggests that there is a whole carbon cycle happening in the deep sea that we knew nothing about. These tiny organisms are playing a crucial role in processing organic material in this extreme environment, fundamentally changing our model of deep-sea ecosystems. It also opens up fascinating possibilities for bioremediation, using these natural processes to help clean up man-made oil spills in other parts of the ocean. But it's not just microscopic life that's surprising us. Researchers also identified a brand new species of amoeba, a single-celled organism that's far more complex than bacteria. They named it *Mayarella marianensis*, after the trench where it was found. Amoebas are known for their shape-shifting abilities, using projections called pseudopods to move and engulf their food. Finding a new species of this group in such a hyper-pure environment is remarkable. It tells us that even relatively complex single-celled eukaryotes have adapted to survive the crushing depths. Unlike the bacteria, this amoeba isn't eating oil. It likely feeds on smaller microbes in the sediment, acting as a predator in this microscopic food web. The discovery of *Mayarella marianensis* adds another piece to the puzzle of deep-sea biodiversity. Every new species we find helps us build a more complete picture of how this ecosystem functions, how energy flows, and how life has evolved to conquer the most challenging conditions on the planet. Perhaps the most visually striking and mysterious inhabitants of the trench are the Xenophyophores. These are not plants or corals, but giant single-celled organisms, some of the largest in the world. They can grow up to 10 centimeters across, which is massive for a single cell. Expeditions have found these strange, delicate life forms at record-breaking depths, well over 6 miles down. Xenophyophores look a bit like sponges or flattened, intricate lattice. They construct their shells, called tests, by gluing together minerals and sediment from the seafloor. What's truly incredible is how they manage to build these fragile structures under such immense pressure. They are masters of deep-sea engineering. These organisms are also ecosystem engineers. By building their complex structures, they create microhabitats on the otherwise flat, muddy seafloor. These nooks and crannies provide shelter and resources for other, smaller animals like crustaceans and worms. In a place with very little structure, the Xenophyophores create their own, forming oases of biodiversity. Finding them thriving at such extreme depths proves that complex life isn't just surviving down there, it's shaping its own environment. So, what does all of this mean? The discovery of oil-eating bacteria, a new amoeba species, and giant single-celled Xenophyophores in the Mariana Trench is more than just a list of new creatures. It completely revolutionizes our understanding of the limits of life. It shows us that even in the most extreme conditions of pressure, cold, and darkness, life finds a way not just to survive, but to create complex, functioning ecosystems. These discoveries have profound implications. They hint at the possibility of life on other planets or moons in our solar system, places like Europa or Enceladus, which are thought to have deep, dark oceans under icy shells. If life can thrive in the Mariana Trench, why not there? Furthermore, these deep-sea organisms could hold the keys to new biotechnologies. The enzymes that allow these bacteria to function under extreme pressure or consume oil could be harnessed for industrial processes or environmental cleanup. The Mariana Trench is no longer just a geographical curiosity. It's a living laboratory. Every sample brought back to the surface, every high-definition image captured by an ROV, adds a new chapter to the story of life on Earth. We've only just begun to explore this abyss. Who knows what other secrets are waiting in the dark? What other strange life forms are thriving, unseen? The research continues, pushing the boundaries of technology and our own imagination. The trench reminds us that our planet is full of wonders, and that the greatest discoveries may still be hidden in the deepest, darkest places. The next time you look at a map of the world, remember that vast, unexplored frontier, a testament to the resilience and mystery of life itself. Thanks so much for joining us on this deep dive into the Mariana Trench. It's incredible to think about what else might be down there waiting to be discovered. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the unknown. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below and let us know what part of the deep sea you'd like us to explore next. Until next time, stay curious.